Hello, my friends. If you found this message today, it's no accident. Something within you, a spark of curiosity or a sense of readiness, brought you here. You might not even realize it yet, but what I'm about to share with you holds the potential to shift your life in ways you've only dreamed of. So, let's begin. Let me ask you something. Have you ever truly considered the vast wealth already available to you? I'm not speaking of money sitting in a distant bank or an inheritance waiting in the wings. No, I'm referring to the infinite riches of your own mind, the immeasurable fortune of your imagination. Your consciousness is the source of all creation, and the way you perceive yourself determines what you will manifest in your reality. The millions you are destined to inherit aren't outside of you, they are within you, waiting for you to claim them. Here's the truth: you are the creator of your world. Your thoughts, your feelings, and your beliefs are constantly shaping your experience. If you hold on to the belief that abundance is difficult to attain or that you are somehow unworthy of wealth, then that is exactly what you will experience. However, if you dare to believe that you are already rich, that you already possess the millions you desire, the universe will rearrange itself to reflect that truth back to you. This is not wishful thinking. It is a law. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true, whether it appears to be real at this moment or not, will harden into fact. This law operates unfailingly, whether you are conscious of it or not. The key is to consciously direct it. Imagine, right now, what your life would feel like if you had inherited millions today. Close your eyes for a moment and see yourself holding that wealth. Feel it in your hands, sense the freedom it brings, and let that feeling fill your entire being. Now, let me guide you deeper. Your imagination is the bridge between where you are and where you wish to be. When you dare to imagine yourself as wealthy, living the life you desire, and you persist in that assumption, it must become your reality. But it's not just about imagining once and hoping it comes true. It's about saturating your mind with that feeling until it becomes as natural as the air you breathe. Think of it like planting a seed. When you plant the seed of wealth in your imagination, you must nurture it with attention and faith. You cannot dig it up to check if it's growing. Instead, you water it with consistent belief and remove the weeds of doubt. The harvest is guaranteed and you remain faithful to the vision you've created. But here's where many falter: they look to the outer world for confirmation before their desire has fully materialized. They say, "I'll believe it when I see it." Yet the truth is quite the opposite. You must believe it before you see it. This belief is not about pretending or deceiving yourself, it's about knowing that your imagination is more real than the physical world. What you see outwardly is simply the shadow cast by your inner state. Take this moment to shift your focus inward. What do you see when you close your eyes? Are you burdened by fear or lack, or are you rejoicing in the abundance you've inherited? If your inner world is filled with joy, gratitude, and the assurance of wealth, your outer world will inevitably mirror that. This is the law, and it is always working. Now, let's address a common question: how do I persist when doubts arise? The answer is simple: gratitude. Begin each day by giving thanks, not for what you lack, but for what you already have, and for the millions you are about to inherit. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, aligning you with the frequency of wealth. Write down everything you're grateful for, and include the wealth you are claiming. Say it aloud: "I am so thankful for the millions I have inherited. My life is abundant, joyful, and secure." Do not underestimate the power of your words. Every word you speak is a declaration to the universe, a command that must be fulfilled. Speak as though your millions are already yours. Speak with confidence, and let your words shape your reality. It's also vital to guard your mind against negativity. The world is full of voices that will tell you that wealth is for the few or that it's wrong to desire abundance. Wealth is not just an accumulation of money or assets, it's a state of alignment with the flow of life itself. To inherit millions, or any form of abundance, you must first understand that life is abundant by nature. The trees don't produce a single fruit, they overflow with them. The rivers don't trickle, they rush with relentless energy. When you align with the natural rhythm of life, you align with its endless supply of resources, opportunities, and wealth. This alignment is not about chasing or striving, it's about recognizing and allowing. You are not here to struggle for wealth but to let it flow to you effortlessly. Struggle comes and you believe that resources are scarce or that you are separate from your desires. Ease comes when you align with the truth, you are one with the source of all abundance, and it is your right to thrive. One powerful way to deepen this alignment is by focusing on clarity. Often, we confuse the universe by sending mixed signals. We desire wealth but speak words of doubt. We imagine riches but act from a place of fear. Take a moment to clarify your intentions. What do you truly want, and why? Write it down. Speak it aloud. Make it plain. The clearer your intention, the more precise the universe can be in delivering it to you. Now, let's consider the role of forgiveness in wealth creation. Many people carry deep-seated resentment toward money, society, or even themselves. These feelings create barriers to abundance, as they anchor you in low vibrations. Forgiveness is the act of releasing these barriers. When you forgive, whether it's yourself for past mistakes or others for perceived wrongs, you free yourself to receive. Wealth flows most easily to a heart that is open and unburdened. Another often overlooked aspect of wealth is the principle of giving. Giving is not about losing or sacrificing, it is about participating in the cycle of abundance. When you give, you affirm your trust in life's infinite supply. Whether it's your time, energy, or resources, giving opens the channels for receiving. But don't give from a place of obligation or guilt, give from joy and gratitude. The energy behind your giving matters as much as the act itself. But note, these are merely opinions, not truths. The truth is that abundance is your birthright. There is no shame in desiring wealth, for wealth allows you to express your highest potential and contribute to the world in meaningful ways. As you move forward, remain steadfast in your assumption. Visualize your life of abundance each morning and night. Feel it with every fiber of your being, and let that feeling guide your actions throughout the day. Act as though you are already wealthy. Walk with confidence, speak with authority, and carry yourself with the assurance of someone who has inherited millions. This is not a passive process, it requires your active participation. You must discipline your mind to reject doubt and fear, replacing them with faith and conviction. Surround yourself with thoughts, people, and environments that reinforce your belief in abundance. Every step you take in alignment with your vision brings you closer to its realization. Understand this, the millions you seek are not the end goal. They are simply a symbol, a reflection of your inner transformation. The true inheritance lies in discovering the power of your own consciousness, in realizing that you are the creator of your reality. Once you grasp this truth, there are no limits to what you can achieve. So, my friends, take this moment to claim your inheritance. See yourself as wealthy, feel it, and know it to be true. The universe is waiting to fulfill your desires, but it begins with you. Dare to believe in your own power, and watch as the world bends to your will. You are rich beyond measure, now is the time to accept it.